My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it.
Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. It is Sugar here, and today we're doing a Unice review. Really quickly, in the box you get the wig itself. They also give you a goodie bag, and inside of this goodie bag you get an elastic band, press-ons, and 2 HD wig caps. You also get a mirror compact and 2 stickers. Now let's get into this hair, honey. So I got this reddish brown curly 24-inch wig. It is a 7x5. It has a really deep part. It also comes with pre-cut lace and styled baby hairs. Inside you see that big 7x5. It also has a breathable cap, 2 combs in the front, a glueless band, a comb in the back, and the wig grip. The color and the curls are definitely popping, so let's get into this. So starting off, I'm going to use my lace tint and just cover my 7x5. I just did one even quick coat, and that was that. So now I'm just taking a contour palette. I take a cream shade the same as my skin tone, and I just cover my cap anywhere that I know it will show through the lace. Okay, so starting off, I'm taking my Lotta Body setting foam, and I'm just gonna go ahead and push the baby hairs back for the moment so I can see the hairline better, so I can lay it down. You don't have to do this. You can lay the wig with the baby hairs down, but I feel like I do better when I push them back. And if you do have to push the baby hairs back to see the hairline better like I do, at least you don't have to cut them. They're already ready for you. All you have to do is part them back down and you're ready to go. This is a glueless wig, but I like to get that melted look just a little bit. So I'm going in with a very thin coat of Got To Be just to marinate the lace with my skin even more. This is HD lace, but I just love a melt, so that's what I'm gonna do. I went ahead and tied it down to let that thin coat of Got To Be dry. Then I got into styling my baby hairs. I just brought them back down and I used a little gel to style them. I really take time on my hairline. I want you to see scalp. So I want every hair to be in place. I want the baby hairs to be swooped. Look at that hairline. It is giving, okay? Where's the lace? Not here. So now I'm gonna go in with my same contour color that I used for my cap, and I'm just going to rub that in the part of my wig. I honestly never pluck the parts in my wigs because I don't know how I'm going to style them later on, and plucking that part is very permanent. If you choose to do, you know, like a half up, half down, slick back in the top, it might be hard to cover. So I'd rather do this method and it works out just as great. So now I'm feeling the girl. She's coming to life. The color is absolutely beautiful. But then I was like, how many times have I just like left the hair like that or wet it and showed y'all? I was like, I want to do something fun. So then like Scary Spice and Janet popped into my mind. Y'all remember when Scary Spice used to have the 2 buns in the top and the back was curly? And then Janet in the Red Velvet era, she was doing like those little funky curly hairstyles. It was giving me that. I want to give that. So I ended up doing 4 buns across the front and leaving the back curly. I think it looked really cute. It was really cute for pictures for sure. And it was just something fun. I'm going to get back into the regular styling of things, but I just kind of wanted to do this with y'all for fun, you know. Okay, back to regular programming. So I'm going to take my Lotta Body styling foam, and that's what I use when it's, you know, colder months or it's getting really cool outside and I don't want to wet down my hair. It gives the same effect and it dries quicker and it's not drenching wet, you know. I just put it on the parts of the hair where it's kind of more frizzy or fuzzy. I don't put it all over, just where it's needed to redefine those curls and make it pop again. I also use it to maybe foam down the top so I can flat iron it and make it really flat. But just like that, the curls are back, no more frizzies, everything looks good and tamed, and that's what I do. This is how she came out. She's absolutely gorgeous. The hair feels really good. It's great quality. Has a lot of flow to it. The knots are perfect. They're so itty bitty. I didn't have to bleach them or anything. This install came out absolutely flawless and it's a beautiful color for fall. I definitely recommend it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.
Let me just fuck with it for a minute. What? Now you realizing when them nights go long, right? It ain't for me to stay when you